SOLID is simply an acronym for the first 5 object-oriented design principles by Robert C. Martin, or simply Uncle Bob. If you read the Clean Code book, which is by far one of the best books that I do advise you to read, and you can find the link in the description of this video. But basically, SOLID helps us to write better code, help us to write code that doesn't suffer from code smells. If you were to jump on a large code base that doesn't use SOLID principles, then I can tell you that you will be suffering as an engineer. Whether it is to add new features, refactor, fixing a bug, it will be really difficult. Whereas if you implement SOLID, then you can guarantee that you are following the best practices for building applications, whether it's small or large scale. Okie dokie. So in here, I'm within IntelliJ, and I've got the SOLID principles already written for you. So SOLID is just the acronym for single responsibility, open close, list of substitution, interface segregation, and dependency inversion. So I'm going to cover everything that you see here. Now, I already went ahead and created a few classes just to speed up things. But basically, what we have in here is a main method with a couple of instances in here. So we have a circle, we have square, and we also have the area calculator. So here, I'm going to teach you about maths. Yes, I'm going to teach you about maths. What do you know about maths? Tell me the truth.
Cool. I know trigonometry, algebra, econometry, geography.
Okay, what else?
And everything to end with tree. You don't know the thing.
Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Right, cool. So with your awesome skills about maths, let me teach you about shapes and SOLID principles. So in here, let's just take at this method in here called area calculator. So this method in here pretty much just returns a sum of all the areas for the different shapes that we have. So currently, we have a circle class and we also have a square. And then this pretty much just receives a list of shapes. And then if it's a square, it calculates the area of a square, which is math.pow, the length, and then you pass 2 in here. And then if it's a circle, it's the pi right here times the math.pow and then radius. So instead of length, it's a radius, and then you pass 2 inside of this function in here. So you can see that the circle and the square, they're really simple classes in here. So length for square and radius for circle. And if I run this main method in here, we should have a sum of 414. So nice and easy.